Guys, luto-lutoan tayo ha. Siyempre, dito sa loob ng pantry ko, ng kusina ko. So, this is a small cooking guys. It's Sunday here in Philippines. Ayan, bumili ko ng 500 grams na Sanremo fettuccine. Ito natin. This is the spinach fettuccine by Sanremo. Kalahating kilo to. Pero ang ginamit ko is kalahati nga ba guys? Or 1 kilo. No, kalahati. And I get the 1/4. And of course, pinalambot ko muna yung spinach, fettuccine spinach. And then, of course, lagyan natin ng cheesy pesto, pasta sauce, and green peas, and of course, mushroom and tuna. And of course, I'm going to use Vienna sausage. And of course, ayun, yung aking butter. Ngayon, luto na tayo. And this is my oregano. I wanna add oregano. There. Okay, let's start. Napunya-punya rin ang luto inside my pantry. This is the butter. Butter lang ang gagamitin natin instead of oil. But you can use coconut oil. Or olive oil. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Of course, in-slice ko na yung Vienna sausage. And I'm gonna cook the 3 pieces first. Why? As why? Kasi gusto ko siyang papakin, guys. Yung papak. Yung papak, guys. There. Madali ang luto na to kasi kanina ko pa gustong kainin ang fettuccine. So, gano'n. Yaw! Yaw! Hindi tayo nagpipelikula guys, kaya syempre medyo may apps. And gusto ko kasi ng may nakabukod na sausage. Sino nakita ba guys? Hindi yata. Lapit natin. Parang medyo. Pasensya na kayo sa kitchen ko. Alam niyo ba yung kitchen ko eh. Oh, ayan. Ito. Hanguin na natin to guys. Yung 3 sausage. And then we're gonna put the garlic. And of course the garlic. Garlic lang ah. And then of course nakahulog lang yun doon. And of course the button mushroom. Whole ang ibig kong sabihin. Just 1 sachet. Kasi 1/4 lang naman yung lulutuin natin. Then, kasi luto-lutuan lang naman ito guys eh. Pinakakita ko na sa inyo yung quick cooking ng cheesy spinach fettuccine and cheesy pasta sauce. Ayan. And of course, the sausage. Madalian lang ito eh. Ayan. And of course, the green peas. This is a veggie, actually. It's a veggie cheesy pesto, fettuccine pasta. And the oregano. We're going to use the oregano. Of course, ito, garnishing to. And then, ayan. And Of course, the tuna. Kasama yung sauce, yung oil niya. At ang ginamit ko guys is specifically century tuna with calamansi. Kasi dapat ito, dahil tuna, dapat may squeeze na lemon. So, naghanap ako ng may calamansi. Nagkataon na yung century may calamansi pala. So, we won't be needing lemon. And then, of course, ayan, di ba nakulo naman na siya? Okay. Madali lang yan lutuin. Uy! Sorry po. Sorry guys. Sabi ko na sa inyo, yung tunto-tunto ko. Natin na natin to. Ayan, ang masarap at mabango na cheesy pasta. Bango? Amoy na amoy nyo talaga guys. Kung nandito kayo, maglututan na kayo. Ayan. Ito siya. Wine. Here. It's a 180 grams. Ayan. Tingnan nyo na lang guys. Ayan. Ganyan lang naman kadali. And then of course, lalagyan natin siya ng kasi white sauce ang ating gustong ma-reach. Yan muna natin siyang kumulo. So, I'm gonna put white sauce. A generous. Okay, that's enough. Ganyan lang guys, dali lang magluto. Once na-reach na niya yung boiling point, by the way, this is the Zanvino spinach fettuccine. Okay, here it is. Ayan, kumukulo na. It's 500 grams. Hinati ko siya into halves. And it's boiling. Ayan. It's boiling na guys. Medyo pinabaan ko yung induction cooker ng 200 lang para hindi masyadong matuyo yung sabaw. The sauce, I mean. So, here. Ayan. Lalagay na natin lahat, guys, ha. So, ayan. And then, maksakyan na natin. Ayan. Para mag-coat sila lahat. Sarap ng amoy. So this is a veggie inspired fettuccine. Alam niyo ba kung bakit marami to? Kasi parang bukas ng magang-maga. It's Monday tomorrow here in Philippines. Parang hindi na ako magluluto. I-reheat ko lang siya. And I'm ready to go outside. Ayan. Actually, done na ito. And you have your konting init na lang and it's done. Kung gusto nyo ng medyo maanghang, you can, ako kasi nagdadagdag nito after a while. Lalagyan ko siya ng green sweet chili pepper. Of course, no rice. But I'm gonna eat it with hindi ako nang sabihin. Papatalas-tas ako. Magkukommercial tayo. Ayan. Done na to, guys. Ayan. With mushroom, a little butter, enough to coat lang. And of course, the sausage. And the green peas. And the button mushroom. They call it whole mushroom. I call it a bird button mushroom. Kasi buo siya. Of course, that's it. Let me see. Gusto nyo ba mag-plating tayo, guys? Delicioso. Plating tayo ng konti, guys, para makita nyo how beautiful pag naka-plating na siya. Parang mali ata, but ito yung ginagamit ko. Let's use this. Sanay kasi ako dito kaysa dun sa tong. Yan, kasi dito isang dapot ko lang. Huli ko na kagad, guys. Huli na. And then, of course, the sausage, the mushroom, and the green peas, all coated with white sauce. The pesto sauce and the white sauce. Again, hindi po ako nag-add ng pampaalat kasi mahina tolerance ko, mababa sa alat. Ayan. Ang sobrang sarap niya, guys. Promise. Ito na siya, guys, after the plating. Let's see. And of course, we're gonna put the this one. And it's ready for tara na kayo. And ayan na siya. It's okay, let's eat. It's dinner time. Bye. This is Amitis. Simple living in Philippines. Ayan. Sarap yun, guys. Promise. See it? Yan. Bye!